HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. So, working on painting the building, which is looking pretty good to match this one. Brown, and then paint the white door casings, get new doors. It's gonna look pretty good. And then it's like $160 a gallon this paint is. And you got a silly puppy that's running around here now that's not ours, but he knocked over about 3/4 of the gallon, and we were using it literally off of the ground in one big pile until we got down into some nasty stuff, so then we had to quit, but got a pretty good bit done. All right, guys, a new update on the shop. So there's our old shop, and here's the really old shop, which is looking more like a new shop. Look how good that looks. So had this paint matched up and painted on down, got her finished, got brand new garage doors on here now. Everything's sealed up, dried in for the first time in years. These are painted black, so Daddy's just finishing that up just to there, and just to make it all look the same. But it's coming together pretty good. Slowly organizing some of this stuff. Moved some of the bikes over here. Washed this thing finally. It was looking kind of rough. And just rode it down the road and picked up some parts. Got the WR in here. Got XL 250 in here, XR 80, and then the old RV 90. So it's coming together though. And now we got the lights and all that other good stuff there, so we can actually see in here when it's dark. Not much, but they do a little bit. Probably get some better lights in here at some point in time if we need it, but man, that bike looks good. Got it all cleaned up. Took a while washing it, and I didn't even have to polish it. I used that AIM car wash, and it like literally polishes as it cleans. It's pretty good stuff. It's got the wash and wax, but looks pretty good. Pretty happy with that. All right, guys, that was pretty crazy. We just had it had to be straight line winds or almost a tornado come through. It was insane. And we've already cleaned up some, but there's still some things laying out here, but I'll show you some other clips and videos. But like that limb right there, I mean, it just completely twisted it. And then luckily the buildings fared well. You see how good they look with the doors down. But and the campers are good. But it was blowing rain and stuff so hard. I mean, it was insane. I mean, it literally, we were standing in the living room and just gotten out of the pool, and it literally sounded like T-Rex, just wind, everything going crazy all at once. I mean, it got real scary real fast. But yeah, building still looks pretty good. New doors, I'm glad that they're on there. I just got on there just a couple days ago, and it would have been blowing all kinds of crap all over our stuff in there. So that would have been very bad. You can see how much water came down all at one time. But look at all the stuff stuck to the side of the building. I mean, it was just blowing through crazy, and then all kind of trees down everywhere. So, and there's a power line down right over here. Check out all that stuff. So, pretty wild. Traffic has been slowly moving now, but it was locked down for a long time too because of all the trees down the road, down the main road down through there. So, pretty bad stuff. But getting her cleaned up, I guess. Yeah, you can see this tree here. All of these limbs are all twisted and stuff. And it literally took this main limb right here and just completely twisted it around. It's still hanging on, but it is twisted in there big time. Pretty wild. That's a little scary. Luckily, I'm pretty sure all the power is dead, but that is pretty scary right there. That'd be a crappy day.